Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 14th of February 2023. We're going to talk about Dogecoin today because it's probably about to go crazy. Now, this may not be in a good sense in the terms of like seeing price moon or, exceedingly go high in price. It may be going crazy. It might go crazy with price going lower. Let's talk about it real quick. You guys can see. Let me zoom in on this price chart. I got a price prediction already on the chart for Dogecoin. And let's keep it a buck. We're seeing some weakness. Yes, I did a price prediction in Dogecoin on the 2nd of February, 2023. And the market got hung up right here at this horizontal line. Okay, so what? 2-3 days into the price prediction, Dogecoin got hung up around a dime, 0.098. The buyers did not have enough momentum to break it. And since that day, take a look at the price. It's been going down. So I'm sure on my video on the 2nd of February, I told you all that was a price target, that we could see price in Dogecoin run to 0.098, maybe a dime, and it did it 2 days later. Unfortunately, price didn't run to 11 cents. We need to talk about Dogecoin now because a lot has changed. That weakness is on the table, and the plan to see price going lower is on the table. So let's go ahead and cut this price prediction out the way. Hopefully you was able to grab some of this out the market before the price fell 5.5%, because now if you were to get out the price in Dogecoin now, we'll be down 13. Okay, so now let's talk about the market in Dogecoin. First thing I'm going to do is take a look. When price breaks a trend, you have to pay attention to it. It's a alert. It's telling everybody who's interested in the currency, hey, pay attention. Something is not right. We have broken trend in Dogecoin because this market was in trend since December 30th, 2022. It broke trend February the 9th, 2023. And even after it broke that trend line, price in Dogecoin is still showing us weakness. Okay? Now, I'm not here to convince you. You're able to believe what you want to. I'm just showing you the information off of the charts as to what everyone else is up to. These last couple of days in Dogecoin definitely resembles more and more weakness, preferably these days right here. So I'm going to show it to you. These 2 days right here is telling me that the market is still weak. It's telling me that people are doing more selling than people are buying. Like no one is interested in buying Dogecoin at higher prices right now. This is what those 2 daily price bars represent. Now, when we look at this on the 5-day, okay, take a look at the market in Dogecoin on the 5-day chart. Right there. Glaringly, we can tell that price is trading below our trend line. Still seeing selling on this current 5-day price bar. Take a look at Dogecoin on the 3-day. We have 11 hours and 54 minutes left, but we're still seeing price as weak. Now, am I saying that price is going to crash back down to a nickel? No, I'm not saying that. But generally, we can tell that the sentiment of the market has changed from being bullish to being bearish, or from being strong to being weak. The magnitude of the weakness, that is the thing that is hard to determine. Like, how weak is the market in Dogecoin right now? Because the last couple of 2-day price bars kind of tells me that the market is not that weak, but it is weak. Okay, so maybe it might be like slightly weak, slightly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place some weakness on the chart for Dogecoin. Okay, now let's look at this on the weekly chart first, because you guys can see from a weekly perspective, especially at the conclusion of this week, if the market doesn't trade right back up above our trend line, then guess what? We're going to look for price to go lower. Okay, so my first price target is going to be look like around 0.077. So let me go ahead and bring up the magnifying glass so you guys can see it better. Okay, so it's going to be 0.077. My second one is going to be around 7.5 cents. And third, it's going to be around 7. So it look like it's not even that much. Like I said, I'm not really seeing too much weakness in Dogecoin right now. But let me show you all on the daily chart. Okay, clean this up. Show you all with the magnifying glass. I said 0.077 is going to be first. Okay, so let me show you where it is. Okay, so that's around 5.46%. Okay, you guys can see that. 0.077. Second one's going to be 7.5 cents. Okay, it's around 7.94% move to the downside in Dogecoin. Take a look, it's right there. And then 7 cents would be my third level. 14.25, right there around 7 cents. Okay, now the lower price goes, the weaker price is. Okay, so we see the market in Dogecoin grab support at 0.077. Then, like I said, I'm not really seeing that much weakness on the charts in this currency. But if we continue to go lower, then the magnitude of weakness increases. Okay, so we just need to see if the market is extremely weak or if the overall market is minimally weak. That's it. Okay, so I'm done. Everyone go ahead and give me your thoughts about Dogecoin. Where do you guys think the price is going to go? Because definitely we've seen some sentiment changes occur on the charts. So we're going to make sure that we follow the market. Okay. So now we're going to continue to look for price in Dogecoin, if anything, to continue to trade sideways and trend to the downside as long as price trades below our trend line and trades below 9 cents. Okay. And that is it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.